Hey everybody, today I'm going to show you, I just received the Ring Video Doorbell 3 Plus system delivered through Amazon, and today we're going to go through unboxing and then eventually installation onto a brick external wall. So for those of you who have external walls made of or the mount, the mount, if it's wood or stucco or things of that nature, the installation is going to be a little bit different. But if it's brick, which my external house is made of brick, so I'm going to try to install this on brick, so this will be helpful. So here we go. Taking this outside of the box, let's see what comes with it. It's a very nice solid package, and first thing you get is says always home. I'm guessing this is probably, yeah, this is the manual. So Ring Video Doorbell 3. This is the manual. Tells you how to recharge the battery, how to mount it, how to connect it to your existing doorbell system if you have one. You don't necessarily have to. What else is in here? This is quick steps to install the Ring app and set it up with your Ring device. A couple more instructions here. So this will be handy later on, so we keep this aside. The other thing we see here, these are the mounts. So actually this is a little bit surprising because what I thought when I ordered this, only the video would be included, the doorbell system would be included in the shipment, but it turns out that they actually give you the mounts. They give you a couple of tools, fasteners, and a few bolts in here that you can use. This is the other side of the mount, so this will probably go that way, or it can also go a different way depending on where you want your tilt to be. So if you want to tilt your doorbell to the right as opposed to the left, like this, you can just, you install it this way, the tilt is towards the left. Install it this way, the tilt is going to be towards the right, depending on your angles. They also include here a USB device. This is so you can charge your battery, so this is good. And this is the actual Ring Video Doorbell. So it's got a bunch of plastic stuff on here. This thing is going to be released. And it actually comes with two covers. I'm sure this cover is probably in one of the boxes in here, but so by default they put in the silver cover here, but I'm also assured that there's also another black one, which is probably more ideal if you want to blend it into the environment. And beneath that is the battery pack. So this is a completely rechargeable battery, and that's what they give you this for. So you can plug this in here, let's see, like so, and then plug this into any USB outlet. And so actually, let me show you real quick. I can do this and plug this in here. So there you see two lights pop on, a green and an amber light. This is fully charged when I believe either both of these turn green, or if I'm not mistaken, actually just one of the lights. This amber light goes away and the green light is left, in which case you know that your battery is fully charged. So we'll leave this on. They actually do recommend that you charge this fully, especially if you're not tying in your doorbell system to your existing doorbell and if you're using the battery pack. What else? So there's another box here that says installation or install tools. Let's see what we get in here. More packaging. And all right, so they give you fasteners, more fasteners. They do provide a drill bit. So this silver thing here is the drill bit. These black wires are wire extensions. So if you're tying this to your existing doorbell and if your wires are short, you can use these to extend the range. What I really like about this package is they actually they include a water level, a mini water level, which comes in handy when you're mounting your product, because you know, this eventually goes either on your mounts or on your actual doorbell device. You actually remove this, you put it on here. So this, you know, this helps you level your device straight up. That's pretty nifty. What else is in here? So yeah, so they include those in there. I have heard people complain about the drill bit that comes in along with the package. They're saying that you know, most people I talk to say these drill bits that Amazon actually provides aren't of the greatest quality, and they don't really do the job as far as drilling in, especially if you're drilling in through a brick wall. So what you'd probably want to do is use another drill bit of your own. You can actually go buy one at either Home Depot or at Lowe's. I plan to use, you know, my own drill bit here. There's a 6-inch one that's probably a little bit too much, but this one is a 4-inch drill bit, and this will probably do the job a lot more faster than what they provide you. So I do recommend going with your own drill bit if you have it. What else? They also provide you with a screwdriver. Now it's important to use, although you may have an electric drill bit, just like I do, it's probably not a good idea to use this. I would suggest using this manual, because the mounts that they give you, these plastic, they're really fragile. So when you actually put in the bolts, you can easily crack the plastic if you're not careful. So you might as well just use the manual fasteners in here. It's going to take a little bit more time, but hey, you know, you might as well be safe than sorry. And the great thing about this thing here is, if I remember correctly, yeah, so this thing actually has 2 ends, and you can either use this to mount your screws in, or you can turn this around, put this in here, and use this to fasten your safety screw. And that safety screw at the very end of your installation goes right in here. So we've unboxed our stuff. We're going to wait a little bit until the battery charges.